Hello everyone, my name's Hugh O Doherty and I'm a faculty member at John F. Kennedy's School of Government at Harvard University here in Boston. I teach leadership at the school, and for the past 5 years I've had the great pleasure to be a faculty member on Cambridge International Consultants Program on Leadership and Negotiation that takes place here and at Harvard's wonderful faculty club. And in fact, this year it will be in October. The leadership component is actually based on a course that's been taught here at the Kennedy School for the past 30 years. And invariably, students say that this course changed their lives. I promise you that you'll leave with a very unique, a very powerful lens to look at this phenomenon of leadership in a way that is fresh, that's uniquely useful